Now we are at Semmalipunga here at Chennai. So this is full of green. Why we are here is we are supposed to test the macro capabilities of both the 15 series because both are capable of shooting super macro. And that too, when it comes to Xiaomi 15,
it has a 2.6x telephoto
setup which is capable of shooting super macro, and also when it comes to ultra, it has two telephoto. One will be shooting at 10 centimeter and another one is at 50 centimeter. Whereas it may sound tricky, but I personally prefer the HP9 when it comes to covering the entire subject. But if you want some close details, then we can stick with the 3x telephoto, which can shoot 10 centimeter macros. So it has a floating lens setup. So now let's get into the tiny world which we often overlook.
Here are a few quick tips to get you started. In the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, you can click macro with the help of telephoto. It lets you zoom in on tiny subjects like insects without getting too close. This helps avoid shadows and keeps your shot sharp. Natural light is your best friend here. Try shooting in the soft morning or evening light. It helps to avoid those harsh contrast shadows. Stability is everything. When you are too close, hold your breath while shooting to reduce shake, or better yet, use the Xiaomi 15 Ultra's photography kit. The grip gives you full control over exposure and focus, all with one hand. Plus, it adds that extra bit of stability that makes a huge difference in the output. Keep an eye on your surroundings. You will find cool textures, tiny creatures, and interesting patterns just waiting to be captured. Don't be afraid to get creative with your angles. Try shooting from above, below, or even at the slight tilt to add depth and make your shot stand out. And most importantly, be patient. Great macro shots take time, but the results are so worth it. Remember, macro photography is not just about getting close, it's all about finding the right distance to capture sharp, detailed images. And with the Xiaomi 15 and 15 Ultra, with the photographic kit, it's easier, crispier, and honestly way more fun.
What a day it was so far. From the sunrise at Napier Bridge to raw energy at Kasimedu, everything was completely captured with the help of Xiaomi 15 series. Every frame was tightly packed and all those outputs were marvelous, and you guys should have experienced and enjoyed with me. Okay, at least via the video. Raw presence would have meant a lot because you could have experienced both the monsters in live, because they are way more capable of what I previously thought about the smartphone cameras. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to experience the 15 series, walk into nearby Xiaomi retail store.